Because we gotta ask. Get yourself together. You're a professional. Get it together. Okay, come on, wrap it up. Come on.
So, we'll see you next time. Welcome back to Two Vegan Kids. So today we'll be making vegan blueberry waffles. Okay, so the ingredients are, we have all-purpose flour, we have obviously some blueberries, we have some sugar in here, we have some baking powder, coconut oil, we have some non-stick spray 4-hour waffle iron, we have some sugar, some vanilla, and some non-dairy milk, and we're using almond milk. Also, to be making this, we will be using a waffle maker, hand whisker, or whisk, teaspoon, cups, and spatulas. Also, bowls. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we have our flour in a little bowl here, and we're going to sift 1 1/4 cup of flour into our bowl. But you don't have to sift it if you don't have a sifter. Or if you do not want to. So he's going to use 1 1/4 cup of flour, put it into our sifter, and start to sift it away. And then after his 1 1/4 cup of flour. Oh, we also have a paper towel here so that if the flour comes off, it won't make a big mess. So after we put in our 1 1/4 cup of flour and sift it, we are going to be putting in 2 teaspoons of our baking powder. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Okay, so that's all done here. You can just put that there. We're going to sift it. We're going to sift this right over here. Now as you can see, this makes your hands very floury. Yeah, flour up, flour. Actually, we need this bowl so that we can wipe in this flour that got off the paper towel. And we are not doubling up this recipe or anything like that. And I'm pretty sure this recipe, it makes about 5 to 6 waffles. So I'm going to take in right after he finishes, it's backwards, sifting it. Okay, so that's all sifted. Ooh, really like it. It looks like snow. Here, let's move this over here. And move the big bowl. So we're using a hand whisker and a mixer, it's like one of those hand blenders, but it's like an automated whisker. We're using that before we put the blueberries in so that our blueberries don't get mushed up yet. And we're going to use these to mix it up with the blueberries instead. So I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons, not tablespoons, of baking powder. Not baking soda, baking powder. I think there's a certain reason why you have to sift it. It either crushes it or it does something because it doesn't look exactly. Yeah, it doesn't look like that. It looks like snow. So next, do you want to put in the sugar? Yeah, I'll put it. Okay, so he's gonna put in 3 tablespoons of sugar. And then we're going to be needing 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. Which is close to about, that's 3 tablespoons. A little more. Just a little bit though. No, fill up a little? That's good. Good. 1, 2. And the last one. So let's clear this off. It really just looks like a bunch of different types of snow. Yeah, it does. Snow after snow. Ooh, yeah! Now I'm going to put in the 1/4 a teaspoon of salt.
I guess we have salt for some reason.
Yeah, I don't know why, but need salt. And I don't know if we said this in the beginning, but this is our first time ever making blueberry waffles.
We made regular waffles.
So next, I'm going to be doing 2 tablespoons coconut oil.
Whoa. Our coconut oil is a little bit melted,
Well,
but it's the same thing.
yeah, I think it's supposed to be melted, right? No, it's not. Okay.
But still coconut oil.
Yeah, it's definitely oil. 2 tablespoons.
I wonder why you have coconut.
So, Jonna, you can put in the 1 1/4 cup of almond milk. Well, it's any type of soy or dairy milk that you want. That we're using regular, non-sweetened, regular almond milk. Put this in the trash. 1 1/4 cup. There's 1. That coconut milk, like coconut oil, since it's melted, it looks like eggs. Here, let's put this up a little closer.
I think that's what it's replacing it for.
Okay. 2. And I mean 1/4. Okay. So I'm gonna put this away so we clear off our table.
Let's see.
Okay. So now we're going to move this out of the way. Move this out of the way. Move this out of the way. And we're gonna hand. Do you want to hand mix or can I hand mix? Then after that, I'm going to use this. Here, put it up. No, you just ejected them. You have to put it up to 1. So we're gonna put ours on. That's not 1. Here we go. Forgot to add the vanilla. So we finally opened our vanilla, and we also grabbed our waffle maker and our cooking spray so that when we are ready to put it in, we can. So it needs 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1.
I feel like it's a good amount since it's very, very, very powerful. But still, you need a tiny bit.
Okay? And so then he's just gonna finish mixing that up. Okay, so we're just gonna set it on our napkins. So now we're going to put in 1/3 cup of blueberries, which is equal to 6 ounces. So 6 ounces or 1/3 cup of blueberry.
And where is the jam?
And we're gonna hand mix it with our hands so that the blueberries don't get mushed up by the mixer. So now I'm just gonna mix in.
The blueberries.
We should add a little more blueberries.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna add a little bit more. Sprinkle some in. Make sure you actually wash your hands because we are all good at cleaning. So we're just gonna sprinkle a little more in. Pretty much, you can add as much really blueberries as you like and as you want in each of your waffles. And we also started to preheat our waffle maker. So it's not ready yet, which is perfect. So we just gotta mix in our waffles. I mean, you can finish our blueberries, and you can finish that. Then I'm gonna put in our blueberries away. Okay, so then I'm gonna over here. Well, I'm gonna take some cooking spray. Spray this baby down. And we should probably grab like a plate or something to take our finished waffle. 1, 2. Okay. It says ready now, and we are going to put some waffles in. So let's open it up.
So for our waffle maker, we are using 1/4 of a cup.
1/3 of a cup
1/3 of a cup
of mix
to put in our thing
for one waffle.
because making waffles for this thing literally makes the waffles spread out very much. So you don't need a lot for if you have the
We can
same
put a
type.
little more in here. We'll do, let's say maybe, let's see, 2/3. Let's see what 2/3 looks like. Yeah, so we are going to be using about 2/3 cup of our waffle batter. And just spread that out and sit it on. Flip it over and just wait for 7 to 10 minutes. So our waffles are all done. Whoa! So we're gonna,
For a second, I thought it was burnt.
I know.
Just the
So we're gonna
blueberries.
take our tongs and let's see. It doesn't seem ready. It actually needs a little bit more just to crisp up a little bit. So we're just gonna leave that in there for a while and complete. We get our second waffle is done. So now we're gonna take out. This is a nice one. I'm gonna take it out, take it out, take it out, baby. Take it out, take it out, take it out, baby. Take it out, take it out, take it out, baby. Sizzling.
Sizzle, sizzle,
Sizzling.
Sizzle,
It's
sizzle,
sizzling. Sizzling.
sizzle, sizzle, sizzle.
So let's get to trying. So our recipe only made 4 waffles actually. And if you want to add more, you can actually double your recipe if you want more. You can add vegan sausage. You can also add vegan butter to your waffles for a fuller breakfast if you like. So we have topped our waffles with some blueberries, fresh blueberries, and we're going to add some maple syrup. So you can use this one, I'll use this one.
This is heated up maple syrup.
Yeah.
I like it the best.
Okay.
So,
Let's
try it.
try it. I'm excited for these. So.
That is good.
Wait, I haven't gotten it up yet.
Mm.
Wow, that's actually really good.
Very good.
This is our first time making blueberry waffles with vegan. And they turned out
Good. We've made waffles before, but not with blueberries.
Yeah, I think the last time we made blueberry waffles was when we were actually meat eaters. I think so. Last time. Okay. So thank you for watching. Hope you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Definitely try these waffles because they're delicious. And we will see you next time on 2 Vegan Kids. Recipe will be in the description.
2 vegan kids. 2
Okay,
vegan kids.
I'm just gonna eat this right here. I'm gonna just rub.
2 vegan kids. 2 vegan kids.
Oh, it's not done right yet.
2 vegan kids. 2 vegan kids. Two vegan kids.
That's
Two
what
baka
pretty much
chicken.
all-
Baka chicken.